Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.2 question number 2. Let us find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomials. Let us find. Question number 1 is Py, that is equal to y square minus y plus 1. We'll find first P0. That is we are getting 0 square minus 0 plus 1, and that is equal to 1. We'll find P2. Then we are getting 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2, and that is equal to 3. P2 is 3. Now we find the value P1 also. P1 is 1 square minus 1 plus 1, or we get 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, right? We are getting the value P1 equal to 1, P2 equal to 3, and P0 is equal to 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is Pt is given as P. T is given as 2 plus T plus 2T square minus T cube. First we'll find the value of P0. That means we have to put the value of 0 at T. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. If we are getting 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 is also 0 minus 0. If we are getting the value P0 as 2. Value of P0 is 2. Now P1, find the value P1. P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. To get the value 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, or 2 to 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Therefore, we are getting the value P1 as 4. Now you put the value P, we will find the value P2. That means you have to put the value 2 at the place of T. That is 2 plus 2 into 2 square, 2 into 2 square minus 2 to the power cube. Then we are getting 2 plus 2 to the 4 plus 2, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 to the 4, 48. 8 plus 8 minus 8. This will cancel. And we are getting plus 2 is 4. To get the value of P2 as 4 is the answer. Right? That means P1 4 and P2 is also 4. Now we'll solve question number 3. So here you see question number 3 is Px is equal to x to the power cube. x to the power cube. If we find the value of p is 0, then we are getting 0 to the power cube. Therefore, we are getting 0 as answer. If we find p1, then we are getting 1 to the power cube. That is equal to 1. Again, we find p to the power p2, then we are getting 2 to the power cube. That means 8. Right? That means we are getting p0 as 0, p1 1, and p2 8. Then find question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. We find p0, then we are getting 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1, or we are getting minus 1 into plus 1, then we are getting minus 1. You find p1, then we are getting 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1, then we are getting 0 into 2, that is equal to 0. p2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Therefore, we are getting p0 as minus 1, p1 equal to 0, and p2 is equal to 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.